Inhloko yamajaji umehluleli UZondo ithi amalungu ephalamende azithela ngabandayo ngesikhathi aziswa ngokuqhwagwa kwamandla ombuso.
If another group of people were to do exactly what the Guptas did to pursue state capture, if another group were to do the same, Parliament would still not be able to stop it. That is simply because I've seen nothing that has changed.
UZondo uphakamisa ukusungulwa kwekomidi elizoqinisekisa ukuthi esikhathini esizayo lelizwe alizitholi ligwamandwe ngabathile.
There should be a standing anti-state capture and anti-corruption commission that works the same way as the commission that I was honored to chair, which can call anybody, whether it's the president or any member of parliament or any minister.
Ukugwamandwa kombuso kwabeka engcupheni inqubo yentando yabantu eyazuzwa ngosizi nezinyembezi.
State capture places our risk. State capture is about greed, selfishness, and criminality.
Okulandelayo umyalezo awubhekise ebuholini kulelizwe.
Now doesn't need leaders who are tolerant of corruption. It needs leaders who are prepared to go very far to fight corruption.
UZondo uthi izakhamuzi zakuleli zingalinge izidikibale ukuhlaba umkhosi ngenkohlakalo ukuze izwe lingazitholi lisengcupheni efuze eyokugwamandwa yidlanzana.